fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I'm gonna paint 4 the most famous artworks on one t-shirt. And this video is gonna be a third video of the video series where I paint famous artworks on the t-shirts, but in a creative way. This time I decided to challenge myself and to paint 4 artworks on one t-shirt. Mona Lisa, The Great Wave of Kanagawa, Starry Night and Creation of Adam. 4 of them on one t-shirt. I want to create design where I will connect all these artworks with one idea. And I hope in the result I will get the most famous t-shirt ever. So let's get started! So first artwork which I'm gonna paint is Mona Lisa. There are thousands and thousands t-shirts out there with printed Mona Lisa on them, but I guess there are not so many hand-painted t-shirts with Mona Lisa, and I'm gonna create one. And this is my second time painting Mona Lisa. The first time I painted her 5 years ago on a t-shirt, but I was just a beginner and the level of my artwork wasn't good. But now I hope I will be able to paint her better. So let's do it! Well guys, painting of Mona Lisa is finished and I know you're wondering now, why did I change her hairs and what is this lipstick and jewelry? Well guys, to be able to paint all 4 artworks in one design and connect them with one idea, I need to change each of the artworks in some way. And the idea is that Mona Lisa is a pop star and her styling inspired by one of the most famous pop stars right now, Dua Lipa. And now I need to paint her outfit, and I want to include in her outfit the artwork The Great Wave of Kanagawa. And first I was thinking to create some kind of a dress with the waves, but then I thought that to make it look more modern, her outfit, I need to paint this artwork as a print on a t-shirt on a top, because the Great Wave of Kanagawa is so famous artwork as a print on clothes. There are so many clothes with this print, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, and even hand-painted clothes, because artists, they love to paint this artwork on t-shirts, on denim jackets, on shoes. So yeah, her wear top with a print, the Great Wave of Kanagawa, and she will look so modern in it, definitely. So let's do it! Okay, now her outfit is on point, but when I look at her, she's just too shy to be a pop star. Like, imagine pop star sitting like this. So, let's make her a bit naughty. Okay, now she has more possibilities to become a pop star. And what does pop star need? Of course, she needs people who will prepare her for the performance. You know, makeup artists, hairdressers. So let's pay her helpers. Guys, Mona Lisa is ready for performance and all she needs is stage. So let's paint for her beautiful starry stage. guys, all for artists. Michelangelo, Da Vinci, Hokusai and Van Gogh, they're in shock now from this creation. But I love this t-shirt and it was definitely so fun to make it. And I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel for more crazy videos like this. And I hope to see you next time. Fashion is art. Bye bye.